Bitcoin stuff. This is this week in AI from Optimism. So he was talking about artificial generic super LARPs. Do you know what a super LARP is, Keon?
I would guess it's like a LARP, but super.
What? That's not true.
Oh,
No, it's not that. It's OpenAI ramps up robotics work and race toward AGI. I don't know if you saw this, but
yeah.
you did see it.
Yeah, I have a friend. Well, I saw the title. I did not. This is the closest I get to
Locked it.
covering a stuff. But a friend of mine who's very into AI stuff was telling me he thinks that AGI will really only happen when robots are given bodies so that they can basically gather data kind of like humans do. And that
Oh,
is,
like from different
yeah,
sensory
different
inputs. Yeah,
sensory inputs, and you
yeah,
basically
that
have a
makes sense.
constant stream of data rather than having it type,
Dude,
fed in by
I
being
actually
typed
think
out.
we're like less than 18 months from that outside our door.
Really?
No, I really think so.
You think we're going to get AGI in 18 months?
No, I think we're gonna get like robotics with
Oh,
different sensory inputs, like by
that'd be pretty
South
cool.
by next year. Like we'll see like
Oh.
a robot walking down with the next big startup
Will
doing
you
that kind
get
of stuff.
one? Do you want like
No,
a
hell
robot
no,
butler? No.
no,
You don't trust?
no.
I know it's like kind of like the Siri. It's like kind of like Alexa, but like worse. They can like kill you.
No, it'll start off with like a cute little robot that like a
It's like a
BB-8 or
puppy,
something, like a R2D2 that would just be dumb.
little puppy bot.
That's how I want my robots, just like stupid and like trash cans, you know?
Okay, you want like a smart trash can.
Yeah, like basically a smart trash can.
Okay,
That's kind of robots we want to build in Pleb Lab, just dumb trash cans
that sounds about
that
right.
just go beep boop 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 boop
I
boop.
don't know. It'd be pretty cool to get to have a robot so long.
That he just like a dumb trash can that just sends lightning transactions, you know? That'd be cool.
Yeah, maybe. Oh yeah, you get like charged if you put too much trash in it.
That's probably the robots they'll build out of here, the ones that are just like just dumb robots.